My people, today I'm printing with the multicolor printer. This is what I am printing today, Eiffel Tower. So I have the 3 different colors that I am printing. This is the beautiful Eiffel Tower that I am printing. So this is how it looks like now. It's beautiful, I like it. Yeah, it's good. It's with the same printer that I had, or that I have, and I make some change in the printer, like you can see. Let me zoom out. So you can see here, those two parts are the external stepper driver. I got 2 stepper driver damaged, and then I had to replace. This is how I replaced them. So now I have 2 external stepper driver, and they are working very good. So I also installed some fan inside. Like you can see, I can switch the fan. You see the light on, the light switch, the light work, and it's good. Yeah, and the fan is help to cool the main board. So here you can see, here there is like some electrical part that you know from the previous videos. Yeah, let us see again what the printer is doing. Yeah, you can see it is printing the Eiffel Tower. It's good. Let me zoom in. Yeah, you can see there is the Eiffel Tower, different colors. And then it's printing very smoothly. Yeah. Okay. Ciao.